Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, everybody. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. Today, I'm here to talk about 3 lovely beauty products. These are part of my own daily routine. After my last video, I did say I will be bringing in some products and doing a demo, show you the products in real time. So this is one of the beauty products I can tell you, and I can attest to the fact that I use this like on a daily basis, okay? They are my, I don't know what to call it now. Like every time I want to go live or I want to do a video, 2 days and a day before, I start prepping myself, start prepping the face, start prepping, to make sure that, when I come out here, I'm giving you the best, okay? And you're also seeing the best of me, okay? Trust me, it's not easy, to keep at it, keep at, doing your beauty routine to make sure that you're always on point. I don't know how celebrities do it, but it's trust me, it takes discipline, all right? But it's doable, very doable, very. Now, the 3 products I have here, not to waste much time, is I've got the Atomy Daily Expert Mask. It comes in 3 different types. We've got the firming. Like I said, these are my own personal beauty products that I use for my beauty routine. So whatever I'm telling you here is something I've tried and I've tested and I've proven that it works. Now, this is the firming, all right? And this is the brightening, all right? And this is the moisturizing, all right? I've only recently restocked because I'm running low on what I'm already using at home. So I've just restocked these ones and I've just taken delivery of these ones, and I just feel I should share with you so you don't miss out on this lovely product. Now, I started initially when I started with this beauty routine, I started with a firming mask. They are masks. That's why we call them Atomy Daily Expert Mask, okay? I'm gonna bring out the firming. They all look like this. There's 10 sachets, 10 packs actually in a pack. A pack contains 10 of this, all right? 10 of this. So when you rip it out, okay, rip it off, you pull out the mask itself. It comes soaked in all the essential nutrients that your skin needs. By the way, just before I forget, this is so good for all skin types. All skin types can use Atomy Daily Expert Mask. You only need to know which one works for you and what you want, all right? Because when I started with the firming mask, when I used it like I think 3 days in a week, or was it 4 days I'd done that, by the end of the week, I felt fullness and firmness in my skin. My skin was like, you could literally feel the firmness, So I would recommend this for people who have like saggy skin. We all have different skin types, all right? Some people are not fortunate to have like all the skin like looking like, you know what I mean? So if you have like saggy skin, or you're at that stage in your life where you're dealing with wrinkles and all that, trust me, I would recommend the firming mask, okay? I've tried it, I've tested it, and it does what it says it does. Trust me. I know what I'm saying, okay? So this is so good, okay? Packed with essential nutrients, okay? That your skin needs, okay? To firm up your skin. And like I said, it's suitable for all skin types. Now, let's go to the second one. The second one is the brightening one. This one is my favorite. Trust me, it's my favorite. It's my favorite because by the time you finish using this, it just gives you a very lovely glow on your face. And when you look at the mirror, woo, woo, you know, that's the feeling, you know. It's lovely. I use this like 3 times in a week, okay? And I prefer to use it at night, like last thing at night before I go to bed, okay? Because once you rip it off and put the mask, it sticks on your face because it's wet, okay? It falls out on its own once it dries out. So once it dries out, it means your skin has absorbed all the essential nutrients in the mask. So it dries out and it falls off, okay? And why I do it at night is because when I do it, I don't like to go wash up my face immediately, you know. No. I want to give time for all the nutrients to absorb, to go into the skin, stay there and do what it needs to do, you know. That's why I like to do it last thing at night, okay? So when it falls off, I just sleep off, you know. I sleep off. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, it's on the bed. I throw it away because it's dry anyway. Or sometimes if I go to bed, I do it before I go to bed. So I'm working, and so by the time I'm ready to actually go to bed, it's dried out and it just falls off by itself. So yeah, and then I leave my face like that. I don't wash it, just leave it and allow the skin to just enjoy the pampering and all the nutrients that has gone in, okay? So it's so good. By the time you check it out in the morning, your skin, it gives such a lovely glow. That's all I can say. And I'm like, whoa, you know. And people who suffer from black patches, which is due to menopause or some other thing, you know, you've got some blemishes on your face, some black patches, I would recommend this. If you use this the way you're supposed to use it, trust me, you will get good results with this. It's a fantastic product, okay? Now, coming to the third one, okay? This is the moisturizing one, another no-brainer, okay? This is so good, all right? It moisturizes the skin like this. Now I love this. I would use only this if I want to just, maybe I just feel like I want to firm my skin a bit, you know, I would use this, all right? But most times I use this because I want the brightening one. I want my skin to glow. I want my skin to come looking bright. I want, when I come on live or do a video, I want to really look good and all that. So I'm more drawn to the brightening one. That's why I said, just look at the 3 of them, make your pick which one actually will suit you better. But it's suitable for all skin types, okay? Our daily expert mask is suitable for all skin types, okay? It's just one of my beauty products, okay, that I distribute courtesy of Atomy, like I said, all right? So this is moisturizing, all right? And it is, sorry, just trying to check that out. Like I said, it's a no-brainer. The moisturizing one, okay? It works on a triple lock moisture system. So you can imagine, triple lock moisture system locks that moisture in there, okay? I would recommend this for people who have dry skin. If you have very, very dry skin and you know, I would recommend this one for people with dry skin. So I buy all 3 of them because at any point in time, all right, I could use any of them, okay? But you don't have to buy all 3. If you feel, okay, I've got dry skin, let me try the moisturizing one, you can go for this, okay? And if you just want the brightening one and you love it, then you take this. Or if you have the saggy, a bit of wrinkles, or you just want to firm your skin, you know, and I mean really firm your skin, you know, you can go for the firming one. But all 3 of them do what they say they do. It's such a good beauty routine, which I use every time, you know. Recommended days, you can do 3 days. I do 3 days in a week, okay? because I feel 3 days is enough. Well, within the time I have, I can only do 3 days in a week, So, and the 3 days in a week works for me. So I will recommend you use it 3 days in a week and use it for a while. Once you get the results, or you are satisfied with whatever results you get, all right, you can stop, okay? Have a pause and then start using it again. All right, so this is the Atomy Daily Expert Mask. Please, if you're interested or you want more details, okay, there's just so much I can give on a video. So if you want more details about this Atomy Daily Expert Mask, please send me a DM. All right, and I'll be on to you. All right, thank you so much for listening to this, all right? And I will come again next time with another lovely product, all right? You take care now. I love you all.